Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Wiseman. I'm going to show you how to play the Sound Cups game. So first you need some containers and something to drop into the container, and there will be some words that you can help write out or someone else in your house can help you write them out. So the first word we have is a B-A-T. So I'm going to drop this is a little plasticine ball in the cup for each sound this word makes. Here we go. B, A, T. B, A, T. Bat. The word is bat. Here's another word for you. This one's a little bit tricky. Let's count the letters in this word. 1, 2, 3, 4. But it only has 2 cups. That means it must make 2 sounds. That SH together makes a sh sound. And there's a picture for a hint. I wonder if you know what word this is. The sounds it makes are sh, oo, sh, oo, shoo. This word says shoe. Keep practicing with some other words. I hope you have fun.